everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, then I am Rubal and I make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. And this video is all about my suggestion to you guys about Navratri jewelry. So guys, most of the people love to wear silver and oxide jewelry during Navratri time due to the Garba celebration. So here I am in front of you to share few of my pieces with you people. I love all of them, and most of the pieces, almost 90% of the pieces are under rupees 300. I will let you know the detail of all of the product which I'm gonna show you. I will try to put the link of most of the products which I can find online and I bought online. I will also mention the name and number of the seller in the description box below from where I bought it, because most of the cheapest jewelry I bought are from the seller directly. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's jump into the video. The first jewelry which I wanted to show you is this beautiful jhumka, you can say, or chandbali. This is a very lightweight chandbali which I got it from a Instagram store called Ball of Wax. So I got it for approx 250 or something. I know this is like really pricey as compared to what is available in the market, but yes, you can grab them from market as well. So I got it from them for 250 rupees, and I love how they look on me, because this actually changed the whole game of the outfit and looks fabulous with the ethnic outfit. Second one is this jhumka, which you have seen me wearing so many times in my video. I got it from Amazon 2 years back and they are still intact. The quality of them is really good, and I got it for I think 2 to 300, like between that, 2 to 250 rupees, and the quality of this is amazing. I love this piece, and this is also very trendy and classy piece. The weight of this is like normal. It's not too light, not too heavy, and you can grab them if you want something really different and of nice quality. The third earring which I got is this one. This is a ghungru earring, which are like everywhere in the market. You can get it from everstylish.com. Also I got it from a seller for approx 80 or 90 rupees. I will, as I told you, I will mention the name and number of the seller below. You can grab them from him directly. Actually he's a seller from Jaipur, so he actually sells the jewelry at a very reasonable rate, believe me you guys. And this is the jewelry, and this is very lightweight, and I love this piece as well. This piece looks fabulous with ethnic wear, and you can actually pair them with western wear as well to give that Indo-Western look. The next jewelry is this one. You can see this is also very lightweight tops, you can say. This is I got it for 120 rupees from my local market. If you stay in Ghaziabad, then you can grab them from Ghantaghar. So I got it for 120 rupees, and this is very unique piece and look really classy with western and Indian wear both. Next up, I do have this ring. You can see this is very beautiful ring which I got it from my local market for rupees 50, and this is really nice and kind of a good quality ring. You can get it online and offline both. If you will actually search at your local market, then you can grab that this kind of a piece easily. So this is my next suggestion to you guys. Next up, I do have few neck pieces for you guys. The first one is really simple and wearable on a daily basis. Like this one is really lightweight, and I saw on Meesho that this one is available for just for rupees 150. This is really nice. I got it from Jaipur directly when I went to Jaipur 3 years back. I got it for 150 rupees, but right now, because Meesho is also selling it for 150 rupees, and you can grab this one, and it looked really nice and dainty on your neck, and you can easily carry this one because this is very lightweight. Next up, I do have this piece in front of me, which is a very nice Afghani kind of a jewelry. This one is a long neck piece. I really like this piece with like plain cotton kurti or plain sari, so it looks fabulous with that. So if you are wearing something plain, then you can actually pair it with these kind of neck pieces. It will actually change your whole game of the outfit and make your outfit really classy and chic. Next jewelry is this one, which is also very common kind of a temple necklace, I would say. Because this is a kind of a temple necklace. So I got it from an Instagram store which is called Janpat Online, and I would not recommend you guys to buy from there because it is very pricey. Because when I went to my local market and I asked for the price of this one, it retailed for 120 or 150, between 120 to 150 rupees only. But Janpat Online gave me this piece for 450 freaking rupees. So can you imagine that I paid almost 300 rupees extra for this piece because I was unaware that this piece is so cheap in the market. So yeah, I would not recommend you guys to buy from there until unless you find something really different over there, and you like you think that it is not going to be available in your local market, then you can grab that one, because of course they do have some unique pieces as well. But for this one I paid because 450 rupees, so that is not worth it at all. Now last three pieces I got from a seller in Jaipur. As I told you, he sells at a really affordable rate, and I love to buy from him because he sells everything between 120 to 150 or like under 300 rupees for sure. So the first piece which I got is this piece, which is really heavy and very amazing. This one is a very nice quality neck piece, and I love the quality of this. It retailed for 150 rupees, and you can actually take a screenshot of it and ask that person if this is still available. You can actually use it in a multi-purpose way. You can wear it with the ethnic wear, with western wear, with jeans. It is going to look fabulous with white shirt. So there are so many ways to style this piece, and if you want me to make a separate video of styling this piece in 5 different ways, then do let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that for you guys. And the next piece which I wanted to show you is very cheap. It retailed for 100 rupees, but I got it because it is so unique, so different. Just let me just show it to you. This is how it looks like. You can see this is the piece. This is very small piece. You can see having lots and lots of ghungru in it. I got it for 100 rupees from him only, and this is having one black dori which you can wear as a choker. So this is kind of a choker, mini choker necklace. बहुत amazing लगता है पहन के, and also आप इसको again different way में style कर सकते हो with western wear and ethnic wear both. So that's what I like, the uniqueness and speciality about these oxidized and silver jewelry. And the last piece, which is my ultimate favorite, and I saved it for you guys to show it at the end, is this one right here. This is the घुंघरू necklace which I am wearing right now. अगर मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता पहनने के लिए, कहीं मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ, तो I end up wearing this one because this is my absolute favorite. And again ये भी 150 to 180 के बीच में था, बट द क्वालिटी इज़ ऑसम, अमेजिंग क्वालिटी है. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है पहन के, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. नेक में बिल्कुल भी इरिटेशन नहीं करता नेक पे. सो या गाइज, दैट वाज माय ऑल पीसेस विच आई वांटेड टू शो यू. मैं ट्राई करूँगी जितने भी लिंक्स हो सकें, जितने भी नंबर हो सकें, मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँ, जिससे आप लोगों को बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम ना हो. अगर आपको ये पीसेस चाहिए तो आप लिए ले पाओ. एंड या डू लेट मी नो हाउ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. एंड अगर अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ थम्स अप का बटन दबा दो. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो प्लीज़ गाइज, जिससे कि फ्यूचर में नोटिफिकेशन आए जब भी मैं कोई नया वीडियो डालूँ. इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लो, क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम में मैं बहुत मज़े के वीडियोस डालती रहती हूँ, रील्स डालती रहती हूँ. तो प्लीज़ गाइज मुझे फॉलो कर लो. माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज ब्लॉग विद रूबल. सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वन. टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. बाय बाय.